Come on, sit down.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And comment done. And for extra points, hashtag the condos on our Instagram pages.
Yes, Georgie is huge, as you can see.
Oh my god.
Okay, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
So see me sit. Hi.
What up, condos? Welcome back, welcome back. Last couple of days, if any of you follow our Instagram accounts, you would have seen that a couple of days ago we had our baby shower.
Yes.
And don't worry, it's been completely vlogged and there's a professional video as well, and it's going to be amazing. I'm going to show you the whole thing. It's just being prepared. So stay tuned.
Here's me on the swing at the baby shower. Oh, like a Disney princess.
But today, we just opened all of our baby shower gifts and we're going to share them with you because they're amazing.
Yeah, I had a few DMs on Instagram like showing up, people wanting to know what we got. Know what we got for the baby shower. And we also had a doctor's appointment today and we saw Georgie.
Yeah, that was really fun.
He's really big down there.
He's got big nutsack.
He actually does. Like every doctor's always said it to us, but this time they were huge. Like, oh my god. And he has a big foot, so that's true what they say about big feet.
Big balls.
Big dick. So we're gonna show you as many presents as we can. Like we're not gonna go through everything.
We'll show you, we'll do it quickly.
Stuff.
But
oh, there's a
like,
baby outside.
look at this pile of shit.
Oh, the boo.
There's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff. So we're going to show you as much as we can in today's vlog. Let's start things off with some Gucci.
Woo.
Oh my god.
Wait, we should make this the cover photo pose.
Wait. We'll do it at the end.
Cover your face. Doesn't matter.
Look at this. How cute is this?
This is from my sister. It's like she got it though when he's like 9 months, so he can wear it in summer.
Pretty cute, right?
I mean, in summer, like maybe overseas next year.
Super cute. Next, check out the shoes here.
Yeah, and there's more. He's got the infant Connies, the socks were over there.
Oh, look at this.
Okay, so
Connies in black.
Connies
Little baby Connies in white. And Connies
in navy.
In navy.
And they were all from different people, so I don't know how they coordinated this, but he has like all the colours
One in each colour. We didn't double up.
Yeah.
But check these out. Check out these Nikes.
These are really cool.
What the hell?
He's gonna have cooler shoes than Nick.
I know. I actually want a matching pair.
No, they're Georgie's. He's a trendsetter. You're not stealing his vibe.
I really love these. I really
You have to dress
love
like
them.
a dad now.
No, I don't.
And also got another pair of Nikes. This cute little white pair.
Super cute.
So he's got so many shoes now. Got this super cool jacket.
Custom made.
That says Georgie.
There's George on it.
So maybe you can wear his Gucci tee.
It's actually oversized.
I love it.
It's actually an oversized jacket.
And I love this. It's so cool. I can't wait. I love jackets. That one's really sick.
He got little fluffy toys, so check this out. A goat.
It's so cute.
A really cute goat. Bambi? Bambi is not a goat. No, how do you not know that?
It's a deer. This is a deer. It's not a goat.
That is not a deer.
This is Bambi.
Dude.
Deers have antlers sometimes.
Yeah, I know, but this is a goat.
It's not a goat.
Okay, everyone, what does this look like to you?
No, but show
Goat or deer? Okay? Look at him.
It's Bambi.
Do you reckon it's a deer?
It's a deer.
No.
It's not a goat. Deers have these heads.
Wait. Amble plush deer. Ah!
See, it is Bambi. I was right.
Way cuter if it's a goat.
I have a headache.
Alright, goat. No, I'm chucking the goat in the bin.
No.
Next.
It's a teething toy.
It seems like a dog toy, but it's not.
Actually, our friends have got us this. They both
teething.
have dogs. It's for teething. No, you can't get your germs on it. I'm going to clean it for Georgie. This giraffe's famous. I've seen it on Instagram. It's a special teething toy.
Germs for one.
What's it called, guys? In the comments below. It's like a special teething toy.
Next, a doggy. A little doggy.
Oh, I love the
And this is the best one of them all. A giant octopus. How funny is that? It's really cuddly though.
Georgie loves
It's so random. This is a tummy time mat.
Yeah, this
Like,
is
it's
an elephant one.
an
And look, it's
elephant
got a
one.
hairy little
So he
tail.
sits on there, and you're gonna see this a lot. This elephant a lot in our vlogs because he's just gonna be like laying on there. Okay, check these out. These are sick.
These are some cool outfits.
We got him a little
Let's go
Tommy.
back a bit. I don't know why
Someone
you
got him
like
a
it.
Tom.
Do you like to cut out your hair because
No,
it's
just
bad?
a Tommy Hilfiger
Onesie.
onesie.
Hold it back.
How cute is that?
Yeah, see, people like want.
How cute is that? Connie, Converse onesie. I love this.
That's really cool.
And check out this one.
This one's sick. And there's
It
a
says
matching pot with
Georgii.
it. Can you get the matching pot?
It says Georgii on it. How cool is that?
Georgie's so cute.
That's real cool.
So we also got this pot that says baby Georgii.
We're gonna try and shove him in it.
Yeah, when he's born, like we're gonna have to Photoshop our hand because someone's gonna support him. But how cute. I want to put Georgii in here.
Yeah, we'll chuck him in there.
With his Georgii top on.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
Or naked.
Naked. No, naked.
Yeah, has to be. Or with like a hat on or something.
Naked in a hat.
Look at these little outfits. Check this out.
Oh, this one's cute. So this jumper, and it goes with these pants. So if we hold it back.
How cute is that?
That is so cute. Oh, what a little gangster. He can wear his like white Nikes, maybe, or Connies with it.
And then this one too. Little cherry on it.
Little cherry. So
It's
cute.
furry.
That's like,
cute.
I'm gonna like put him in this and cuddle him. This is a cuddly one.
Okay. Some more shoes. Look at these ones.
They're so cute for winter.
They're cute.
And I love these shoes. Hang on, let's see.
It's got rabbits on them.
These are his slippers when he's at home.
Just gonna walk around those.
Hello, mommy.
We've got a ton of books.
We got
like a
Peter
Peter
Rabbit collection. It's so heavy. So look how many books he gets in it. This is so cute. This is perfect for the nursery as well to have on display. You know, on that little shelf I'm getting, like it's just good so he looks smart and educated.
He looks smart and educated. We're gonna read it to him?
Yeah.
No?
And this, we had our friend, he's not even Greek, Alexander, I have to say who got this one because this one's just too cute. It's a Greek alphabet book. Like, so it goes through and it's like, Ilios, Moulivi, Lemoni. So cute. So his first little Greek book, so we're going to teach him Greek too.
Yeah.
He's going to learn all languages.
All of them. All languages.
No, just Greek.
This big bag
It's full of books.
Full of
But
books.
can I just say, I remember reading, when I was a kid, I had this one. I actually had this book. It's like you pull stuff out of it, and I had that one too, the zoo one. I remember this.
Dear Zoo. Let's
it
read
that
some
one?
of the titles.
This one is Giraffe. Giraffe is lost. Do you remember that? When the giraffe is lost?
No.
I don't know, you were too
Where's
old.
my lion? No, where's Mr. Lion, not my lion?
10 Little Fingers and 10 Little Toes. This is another classic.
Guess how much I love you.
Oh, how much?
Not much. That's not my puppy.
Oh.
For when every time you steal puppies, which is a lot. If you've seen our other vlogs on Instagram, the last month I've stolen 2 puppies. Little Roo.
Oh, and I love all the touch and feel ones. They're really important for development.
And that's not my dinosaur. For anyone who's stolen dinosaurs before.
Ow, ow,
You okay?
ow. I don't know what he's doing. Look, feel this. There's something. Yeah. It's Georgii.
Who else is it? Someone else? Okay, check this one out.
This one's really cool.
It's a seat.
And you can strap it to adult seats. Like, hang on.
Should we just open it? Let's
Let's
open it.
open it. You can wash this if you like.
He sits in here.
Yeah, and it's got all
You
this
take
stuff.
him around and you just
And
like...
you can take this out on the side and strap it to a seat.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, look at that. Don't lose the instructions.
It's cool.
It's really cool. He needed one of these.
Yeah.
So these are all the different uses. See how you can like put it on a chair too? You can do all this different stuff with it.
You see?
So like, look, that's his plate. It goes at the back. That can be a plate.
Oh, it's a plate.
And then you can put it anywhere and you can change the height of the plate. And then you can strap it to a chair or just put it kind of wherever you want.
Now this
It's a special nappy bin.
It's a special nappy bin.
So it's odor-free, eco-friendly. It does all this stuff, and you have special liners, and it wraps it for you. Hang on,
So basically,
flip it over.
when the bin opens up, right, we'll show you when we actually open it, but
it'll wrap the nappy.
Automatically, you put it in there and it wraps it itself.
Yeah.
So it doesn't stink.
So it's really good, yeah.
So it's really good, actually.
Really bad pains, guys. I'm not even kidding. Really bad. Holy shit. I don't know what he's doing. I actually need to lie down. I'm not acting.
Are you acting?
No, I'm not.
Because you told me you wanted to get freaky before.
I didn't.
She did.
No, I didn't.
She's trying to end this so she can kiss me.
No!
Now, all of these,
It's like
there's like wraps,
sheets, change mat, fitted covers.
mats.
This is awesome. Wraps, like muslin wraps.
Swaddles.
Yeah. Swaddles down
Oh,
there
what?
too.
Newborn bib, beanie,
Yeah, it has
pair
everything.
of boots, and mittens.
This is cute.
That's
yeah,
cute.
we need to open it.
Pillowcases.
We got like, these are cute.
Oh, a little Blankie, a little bunny Blankie.
We've just got shit going everywhere. The wraps.
This is a breastfeeding pillow. Oh.
A nursing pillow.
A
But
nurse,
yes, that is
nursing
breastfeeding.
pillow.
And that will be good because I've already got one, but if he like pees on it or poos on it, I can wash it and then use this one.
This here. What is this?
It's a mat. You just put it down when
Oh,
it's
it's a
tummy
nice
time.
little sailor mat.
So cute. Oh, he's gonna be a little sailor.
And matching
Outfits.
sailor
When
outfits.
he's like on the mat.
There you go. There you go, Georgie. Georgie.
Yeah, Georgie, when you
What
watch
is
this,
this?
look how spoiled you are. It's like a little wrap. Get that one from down there. I love that one. That's my
Which
fave.
one?
The blue one.
The blue. A
Blanket.
mat. A blue mat blankie. Wow,
It's
that's
so
very
soft.
warm.
Yeah.
You get hot in that, actually.
No, but we can lay it down if he wants to like lie on top of it or on top of the bed because you don't want him to get poo and stuff on your beds and things. So you put this down or you can cover him in it. It's just, you need all these
That's a warm
blankets
blanket.
and stuff when you
That's
have
a
kids.
really
Like you
warm
just
blanket.
need heat.
More connies.
But these are for newborns, so they're like
Newborn
socks.
connies. Look at them.
Because newborns can't wear shoes.
They're like
until
more.
like
They're
6
more
months.
material socks rather than like full
Yeah,
on
but they
shoes.
look like shoes, so I love those. And then he's also got his really cute, fancy little socks. Like there's all these different.
Different socky.
Oh my god, they're so cute. So this is super cute. So we've got a little frame for his first curl when you like cut it off. I'm gonna do that. And then there's this one. You can like have the first year and see how he's grown. So that's really cute. And the rest of the stuff is just like more clothes and
Not more
swaddles.
clothes, it's a
There's
lot of swaddles.
a lot of
and
swaddles and
blankets.
blankets. I think we and like little chew toys, like little.
Chew toys. It's one chew toy. One chew toy that we have. A little giraffe.
We have a dog when he's sitting there going like,
I know. It's so hot though.
Nick, what are you doing? Not on camera. Do you want to go by the pool?
Sure. Anyway, that's
our video today.
all our
We
stuff
did a
that we
little
got.
unboxing. Well, that's not everything, but it's majority of everything. Because like there's not double ups, but some things are similar. So you guys will get really bored. Thank you to everyone who came to our baby shower. Georgie got so spoiled.
Yeah.
And if people didn't get gifts, they gave us money to go towards things. So that's really sweet.
And don't worry, like I said, the baby shower video will be out.
Yes.
Hopefully within the next week.
Week, not a few days.
A few days.
I think a few days.
Maybe a few days.
Yeah. So that was our baby shower unboxing.
Present unboxing.
Yeah, that's what I said. Anyway guys, that's all we have for you today, so make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that bell button and subscribe to our channel and comment done for a post notification shout out. We're just going to leave it today and do the shout outs tomorrow, so get in. And for extra points on our baby shower pictures, hashtag the condos, and check out Georgie's Instagram. We want to get him to 1,000. He's at 810. Get behind your boy.
Get behind your boy. Alright guys,
Bye.
that's it.
Catch you later, condos.